Something is coming from the darkness. A message. It has travelled for billions of miles, a faint signal, barely a whisper against the cosmic static. This transmission comes from a place no human has ever been, a place beyond the warmth and light of our own star. It comes from Voyager 2, our silent wanderer in the interstellar void. For nearly 50 years, it has been our eyes and ears in the great unknown. It has faithfully reported back, sharing secrets of the gas giants and the space between the stars. But now its long journey is nearing its end, the power is fading, and this final message, this last piece of data, it is not what anyone expected. It tells a story of a universe far stranger than we ever imagined. This story is not just about a machine, it is about us. It is about our unending curiosity, our desire to reach out, to touch the face of the cosmos. Voyager 2 is more than just metal and circuits, it is a testament to human ingenuity. It all began in the summer of 1977, a time of hope and grand ambition. The world was looking to the stars. NASA launched 2 spacecraft, 2 twin explorers, on a mission called the Grand Tour, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Their initial task was simple yet audacious. They were to visit Jupiter and Saturn, to use a rare alignment of the planets, a cosmic slingshot, to propel them from one world to the next. The original mission was planned for just 5 years. Every great story has an ending. For Voyager 2, that ending is not a sudden crash or a catastrophic failure. It is a slow, graceful fade. The spacecraft is powered by plutonium, a radioactive power source that has been decaying steadily since the day it was launched. Every year it loses about 4 watts of power. 4 watts may not sound like much, but over the course of nearly 50 years, it adds up. The engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory have become masters of energy conservation. One of the most painful decisions was about the plasma science instrument. This remarkable tool was essential to the mission. It was the instrument that could feel the solar wind. It could taste the very substance of space. Its job was to measure the density, temperature and speed of the charged particles, or plasma, that flow from our sun. For years, it measured the properties of the solar wind inside the heliosphere. So, what did Voyager 2 find out there at the edge of our solar system? What secrets did it uncover before its senses began to fade? The discoveries it made have honestly, fundamentally changed our understanding of our place in the galaxy. For the very first time, we had a probe directly sampling the interstellar medium. The data, published in a series of scientific papers, painted a surprising picture. The plasma just outside our heliosphere was denser and colder than what was inside. This final message from the plasma instrument is honestly what leaves us speechless. The discovery of this leak, a stream of our own solar system's particles flowing out into the galaxy. This is not something our models had predicted. It tells us that the heliopause is a far more permeable and mysterious boundary than we ever knew. It is not a solid wall. It is more like a membrane with material passing through in both directions. One scientist described the finding as, quote, very, very weird. The silence is growing. With each instrument that is powered down, Voyager 2 becomes a little quieter. The stream of data that has flowed back to Earth for nearly half a century is slowing to a trickle. For the scientists who have spent their lives listening to this spacecraft, the approaching silence is deeply personal. Ed Cummings, a veteran of the mission, has said that his entire career has been intertwined with Voyager. He plans to retire when the mission finally ends. The story of Voyager 2 is not one of an ending, but of a transformation. It is transforming from an active explorer into a timeless artifact. Its mission of discovery for us is drawing to a close, but its new mission as our silent ambassador to the galaxy is just beginning. It carries the story of humanity etched onto a golden disc into the vast unknown future. It is a symbol of our highest aspirations, our desire to learn, to explore, and to reach beyond our grasp. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.